Hello, fellow chocolate lovers. Have you ever heard of dieting with dark chocolate? Yes, you heard that right, chocolate can actually help you lose weight. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can incorporate dark chocolate into your diet and reap the benefits. First things first, not all chocolate is created equal. We're talking specifically about dark chocolate, with a cacao content of 70% or more. This kind of chocolate is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids that can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. When choosing your dark chocolate, make sure to read the label and check the cacao percentage. The higher the percentage, the better. Look for chocolate that's also low in sugar and has minimal additives or preservatives. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate dark chocolate into your diet. The key is to use it as a flavor enhancer, not a meal replacement. You can add it to your morning oatmeal, smoothies, or even sprinkle it on top of your salad. The possibilities are endless. If you have a sweet tooth, you can also enjoy dark chocolate as a dessert. Just make sure to stick to a small portion size, and savor it slowly to fully enjoy the flavors. If you want to try this diet for a week, here's what you can do. Plan your meals in advance and incorporate dark chocolate into 1 or 2 meals each day. Keep track of your calorie intake and make sure to stay within your daily limit. Also, don't forget to exercise regularly and drink plenty of water. So, what are the benefits of dieting with dark chocolate? Besides improving heart health and reducing inflammation, dark chocolate can also help reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks and improve brain function. Plus, it's a natural mood booster and can help reduce stress and anxiety. But remember, everything in moderation. Eating too much dark chocolate can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Stick to a small portion size and savor it slowly. And there you have it, folks. Dieting with dark chocolate can be a delicious and effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tasty and healthy content.